Have you ever felt like when you saw your moon sign for the first time in astrology that it just didn't fit you and it just wasn't something that you reacted to very well? Leo moon? Well, that can happen when the exact time of birth is unknown and the importance of birth time wasn't explained. Between 6 a.m. and 11 p.m. Super important. The moon. It's the fastest moving planet in astrology. It can change signs within the same day. Without a birth time, you may actually have 2 possible moon signs instead of 1, or think you were one instead of the other. A common method is using 12 p.m. as a placeholder time. I showed you this in astro charts, and when you do this, you can disregard the houses entirely and focus only on planetary sign placements, which is a lot to ask for beginners. So here I show an example of what this looks like in AstroSeek, where you can put 12 p.m. an unknown time of birth. That way you can visually see how the moon moves through the day and why default times can shift interpretations. At that point, it becomes important to ask yourself which moon sign feels more aligned with how you actually respond emotionally. Self-awareness matters here because lived experience helps guide interpretations. And it's also important to know the moon isn't the only planet that can change signs in a day. Fast-moving planets like the moon and sometimes Mercury can shift quickly, which is why birth time and date accuracy really matters. Time of birth between 6 a.m. and 11 p.m. Nope, exact. And if you're going to be practicing astrology, you have to know this is extremely important. I never give readings if I don't know the time of birth or if they're guessing. So just to let you know. And what if you're wrong about your rising sign? It's very important to know time of birth. Fact, I was born at 12:20. I'm a Virgo.
Sorry, fact, I was intolerant.